Welcome to Decrypt, the series that decodes and demystifies everything blockchain, crypto finance, and cybersecurity. The world is currently $300 trillion in debt, $300 trillion or more than $37,000 per human on the planet. With the fall of the Silicon Valley Bank and the sharp decline in many other traditional banks around the world, the current inflation and banking crisis has fueled a rapid rise in the price of Bitcoin. The reset narrative that Bitcoin offers an antidote to traditional banking appears to be taking hold. We are going to explore the topic with Justine Destobbelère, crypto asset and blockchain lead at Sia Partners and university lecturer on the topic, and Remy Ozcan, president of the French Federation for Blockchain Professionals, who both are advising some of the world's largest organizations and central banks about crypto finance and blockchain. Welcome, Justine and Remy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Justine, why don't you give us the big picture about how blockchain is already revolutionizing financial services?
We have three main use cases: the tokenization of money through stable coins or through central bank digital currency. Second is the real estate tokenization, where we can tokenize houses or corporate building or whatever in real estate into tokens and put those tokens on sale very easily. And third use cases and third market is the tokenization of securities, financial securities.
And Remy, how will this tokenization really make transactions easier and faster?
Yeah, sure. When you understood the blockchain technology components provides a way for any central bank to improve the velocity of the money, so we can settle any transaction by second or minute instead of few days currently. It helps anyone to exchange money during the weekend, which is not possible right now. It provides also for a new monetary tools for central bank, the ability to increase or decrease the total supply of the money, and it could be really relevant, particularly in this context with the inflation, which is the consequence of too much money in circulation in our monetary system.
And Justine, you are working with many different central banks. What's going on behind the scenes in terms of central bank digital currencies? Are we going to be seeing soon some sort of euro crypto token?
So central banks all over the world are working on central bank digital currency since a few years now. Central banks are looking and working with decentralized actors to see how they could put those assets into decentralized finance.
And Remy, you are an expert in Chinese crypto. So what can you tell us about the Chinese central bank digital currency, which is right now, I believe, the only one that's actually being used? Are they ahead of us?
Yes, the Chinese economy has been already digital. So it means that every citizen, every company they use their phone to make any payments. So for them, it's not so difficult to proceed to new form of payments digitalized. And yes, since 2022, the Chinese government has issued its own CBDC, and they use blockchain technology for geopolitics, for digitalization of their own economy, and improving the ability to exchange money.
Getting back to the subject of today, we see that there's a crisis with the traditional banking. Is the innovation in crypto going to help us be able to resolve this problem that we're seeing today?
Basically, blockchain technology could be a useful tool for central banks, for companies who want to improve the efficiency of financial services. That's the future, and the future will be with blockchain technology.
And Justine?
So I think we have to make a mix of both the traditional investments and services, and using new supports with blockchain and crypto as a way to diversify the risk and to embrace the future.
Thank you so much, Remy and Justine, for decrypting the growing importance of crypto assets and their potential to transform the traditional banking system. Join us next week when we will find out the amazing story of how the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees is using crypto to provide cash relief to war victims in Ukraine. Thanks for watching Decrypt, everyone.
Devoncy wants to democratize Web3 finance for investors. Try Devoncy.